Okay, class. So today we're going to be diving in a little bit more with what we've been learning about immigration in Colorado and immigrant lives in Colorado between basically for most of the 19th century. You're going to go to our class website. You're going to hit assignments. Then you're going to hit differentiation with technology. Click on the screencast assignment. Then you're going to click on this wonderful resource I found. Go ahead and scroll down. On the left, you should see Auraria. Go ahead and click on that. From there, I want you to go ahead and watch this video. This is about a campus downtown in Denver and all about the history of that campus and also the people who lived there, and it does tie into our theme of immigration. So you're going to go ahead and watch that. Once you have watched it, you're welcome to take notes as well. I just wanted to go ahead and say that. You might want to use them. Go ahead and hit the back button once you've finished watching. Under lesson plans, right across from the Auraria, you're going to hit elementary. Go ahead and scroll down until you're on page 3. Here are document-based questions. So this is all based on the video that you watched. Now for our purposes, I want you to go ahead and fill out this last box, these questions. Go ahead and put it on a Google Doc and share it with me under the title St. Cajetan's Catholic Church. I really want you to look at question 2 and think about the culture associated with Catholicism and the specific area at the time. Once you have done that, I would like you to pick one of the other boxes here. One of these other sources and answer the question. So you need to do a total of 2. So you need to do this document-based question based on this picture, answer these 2 questions, and then pick one of these other 4 and answer the questions beside it. Now you'll see under each of these there's a link if you want to look at it a little bit bigger. You can see a little bit more information on that document, the picture. You can zoom in, and that way you'll be able to answer the questions a little bit more thoroughly. Now, if you decide that, hey, these questions I need to go back to the video and watch it in order to answer them more thoroughly, by all means, go back to the video, click on it again. You can go ahead and move this around to the part that you might need more to watch again in order to answer the questions. Make sure you use the resources at your fingertips. I hope that this is a really fun project for you guys. Again, please make sure to create a Google Doc and then go ahead and share it with me. You're going to title it Document-Based Questions, and then I want you to subtitle the specific document, so you're going to have to do this document, and then also the other subtitle should be whatever one you chose. So let's say I chose this one. This would be my second subtitle, and under it I would have the questions with the responses. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.